Hi guys, this is Anul Haq. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a desoldering pot using a heating element of electric press and a metal plate. I cut off one-fourth part of this element and rearrange it to fit underneath this metal plate. Two rods and some wire are used for making boundary. It prevents molten metal to go off from surface. Two wooden pieces are used for making base. This is my variac. It can go up to 220 volt at maximum current of 3 ampere. It can provide sufficient power for heating, and this 2 multimeter will be used for taking measurement of current and voltage. This is a PCB of SMPS. Here you can see lots of components which are quite expensive and rare to find. Recovering them can be very beneficial for us. We will use this component for our future project. This is how full setup looks like. You just have to place this PCB on this melting metal and just try to lift it up. Like this.